Welcome to Current Briefs. In this episode, we are diving into one of the major challenges facing the water sector: aging equipment. The American Society of Civil Engineers recently gave grades for the U.S. water and wastewater infrastructure of a C- and D+ in their report card. It's clear there is a pressing need for renewal. Utilities are raising rates, and still the investment gap is growing. On top of that, we're experiencing a loss of institutional knowledge as many skilled workers retire, and let's not forget the increasing regulatory requirements. It's a complex situation, but there's a pathway to manage these challenges. Let's explore how in this segment with my colleagues Chris Wanner, Margaret Gadzic, and Chris Heltzel are addressing the issue of aging equipment.
Utilities today are under pressure to manage assets more efficiently and affordably. That's where reliability-centered maintenance, or RCM, comes into play. RCM is all about making sure each asset, from individual pumps to entire treatment facilities, can deliver the required output with the right level of maintenance. Maintenance can range from running an asset to failure to applying full predictive analyses. Think of it like allowing a duplex sump pump to fail and alarm versus using advanced techniques like laser alignment and vibration analysis on large pumps. Using methods like thermography, wire-to-water efficiency analysis, and oil testing, we can predict when maintenance is needed. This ensures operations stay smooth and costs stay manageable.
Utilities need to implement robust asset management planning to keep our water and wastewater systems running effectively. Typically, an asset management plan considers level of service commitments, asset inventory, condition and risk, capital and O&M strategies, and funding needs. By adopting an asset management plan, utilities can avoid costly breakdowns and embrace a more proactive, risk-based approach. This means focusing limited investment dollars and allocating resources where they're needed the most. Ultimately, asset management planning enables smarter decision-making and focuses on the most critical areas of your system. With effective asset management planning, utilities can reduce their cost and risk of failures and at the same time provide the required level of service to their stakeholders.
One tool making waves in the asset management planning space is the ASCE Rehab and Replacement Planning System. This capital planning application leverages existing IT systems like GIS and CMMS to utilize the vast inventory of data that utilities have collected. The system applies criticality and condition scoring to develop risk-based prioritization for all capital assets. This system is configured with rehabilitation and replacement costs, asset estimated useful life, and service level targets to model different budget scenarios. This allows you to see how changes in funding impact service levels like system-wide risk and condition. In this way, utilities can choose the most appropriate funding strategies to meet their service levels while optimizing both short-term and long-term capital plans.